What is the difference between Google Maps and Google Waze? Despite many things that they have in common, the main difference is that Google Waze suggests routes based on real-time traffic data. Let's say you want to get from point A to point B, and there are many different ways to get to your destination. What Google Maps does is that it simply suggests the shortest route, whereas Google Waze analyzes how congested each of the routes is and suggests which route will actually take less time. Now imagine fire emergency vehicles. Do you think their drivers use Google Maps or Google Waze? The short answer is neither, because emergency vehicles have the lawful right to override certain traffic regulations, such as passing on the red light, going over speed limit, and others. Therefore, they need a different, more complicated routing system. However, similar to Google Waze, the software that helps fire emergency vehicles should take real-time traffic conditions into account, because in case of a fire emergency, what actually matters is time taken for the trip. Mere seconds can save lives and property from fire damage. This project, supported by FDNY, aims to optimize emergency response based on real-time traffic conditions. To do that, we use our optimization system on the testbed from Harlem. First, we need to run a traffic simulation on the software called Sumo. We insert traffic data collected from FDNY and DOT about Harlem. That data includes the exact locations of emergency vehicle dispatch centers, exact information about roads and intersections, and precise trip information for all vehicles within a long time frame. With all that information, Sumo provides various outputs. Some of these outputs, like traffic density, average speed, travel time, and time loss, can be useful for emergency response optimization. For the second part of the project, we use a popular field of study called machine learning. Let's say there are 3 routes available for a fire truck to get to an incident. Route A is long and currently very congested. Route B is short and less congested. It is easy to see that Route B is a better option. Now consider Route C, which is the longest, but also the least congested route. Plus, you pass through less traffic lights, but the roads that you use here are narrower. What will you say? If you give hundreds of thousands of existing cases where fire trucks chose certain routes and it took them a certain time, your computer will be able to predict the best route when you give it real-time traffic conditions. Our job is to train computer code with the data. So that's how it's done. This project, supervised by Professor Joseph Chow, involves a great team of researchers and students from City Smarter Lab. This video was prepared by Nurgul Zhumasheva for UGSRP Tandon program. Hope you liked it. Bye!